Are you all right? You look rather precarious. Hey, watch it!
Made it back safe and sound.
You made it back? Back from where?
All right, I guess it's time for me to dig in. Ta-da! Oh, wow! Fried chicken, omelet, and meatballs! Woohoo! Tomo's all-time favorites on one plate. Rub-a-dub-dub, thanks for the grub. Huh? What's wrong, Miss Osaka? Please don't talk to me right now. Hey, Yomi.
So, what about it?
Tomo, look! Huh? Is she happy just because she split it so clean? Hey, Yomi! What the heck is up with that croquette? It's all red inside.
What? You mean this?
It's a super red hot chili pepper croquette. Oh yeah, you like your food crazy hot, don't you? Looks really spicy. Hey, Osaka, you like spicy food? No way, I'm terrible with that kind of stuff.
Hey, why don't you give this a little try?
Come on, I just told you I'm no good with that kind of stuff. You really ought to listen when someone tells you something.
Hey, not to worry. It's also got a lot of cayenne pepper in it.
And what's cayenne?
I guess you could say it's like shark fins or swallow's nests. You know, one of those rare exotic dishes.
Oh, then I guess I'll have a taste of it. No way! You're awful. I thought I was gonna die.
Sorry about that.
What the?
What's this now? You got hiccups?
Oh, I bet it's because you ate that spicy stuff. Is that how it works? Then what do I do? Hey! Can't you cure it by drinking water? Water? Would it be okay if I drank juice? I don't think it matters. Hey! Carbonated drinks might work even better. No way. I'm not real good with carbonation. What? For real? Those are some stubborn hiccups. I heard it's good if you take a drink while you pinch your nose.
Really? Because I seem to remember it was you had to keep both of your ears plugged up.
All right, let's try them both together. What? Okay, you ready? Yeah. Come on, go for it! Well then, are you cured? Can't say for sure.
No, she isn't cured.
Oh, wait, I know! I heard that drinking from a cup balanced on chopsticks is supposed to work.
You sure about that? Next hour's music, right? We better hurry up.
Yeah. Hey, wait up! Will you knock it off, Osaka? Hey, time to go home! Huh? They still haven't gone away yet?
That means it's been going on for over 2 hours now.
That reminds me. I think I heard you can die if you keep hiccuping for a whole day. No way! Miss Osaka, please be afraid! Please be very, very afraid! Sorry, but that ain't scaring me one little bit. Oh yeah, I just remembered! Huh? Yeah! Ow! You can cure hiccups by smacking the person in the back! Ow! Huh? Isn't that what you do when you get something stuck in your throat? Huh? Sorry about that. That was mean!
From what I seem to recall, hiccups happen because something is convulsing.
Yeah, that's it. Spasms in the diaphragm. Where's the diaphragm? It's right underneath your lungs. Right here! Hey, that's the solar plexus!
A vital point on the human body.
Huh? Are you cured? No good, huh?
You can cure hiccups by brewing persimmon sepals and drinking the tea.
Persimmon?
You know that's some kind of folk remedy, right?
But we ain't got any persimmons with us.
Then try holding your breath for a while.
Ready? Okay, start! Man, that didn't take long at all!
Now apply pressure to the eyeballs.
Ow, 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 ow!
Okay, now pull her tongue.
It isn't going away.
So do you have any other ideas?
Let me think. Give it to someone else?
This is all starting to sound a bit hokey.
Give it to someone else.
Just what are you looking at?
If it's still not getting any better, it could be that you're really sick. Maybe you should go and have it checked out.
You think she's sick? But with what?
Like the brain.
The brain? Oh. Hang on a second, what are you talking about? Well,
It's because your brain... I think it might have a few problems.
problems? What? Well, you are kinda weird sometimes. You talking about symptoms? Not really symptoms, but, you know?
Uh-huh. The fact that she isn't aware of the symptoms is sort of the symptom itself.
What's that supposed to mean? I don't get it. Excuse me, but it seems your hiccups stopped now. Wow, I guess you're right. I must be cured. It's happily ever after. Yeah, thank goodness for that. But I wonder what it was that stopped him.
Something worked, but what?
Uh-oh. Oh, that's it. I gave it to Chio-chan.
Is that even possible?
Okay, let's do everything we tried on Osaka from the very start. That sounds good. What came first, though? Hey!
Smack her on the back and hit her solar plexus.
Oh, right. This can't